So this is a short video introducing Computer Science Professional Development Week that will be hosted by Arizona State University College of Engineering the week of June 17th through 21st, 2019. Computer Science Teachers Association Arizona, in conjunction with the Arizona Department of Education and the Governor's Office of Education, are really excited to announce this week of professional development aligned to our new computer science standards with offerings that run across K-12. There are options for counselors, elementary school teachers, middle school teachers, high school teachers, as well as across subject areas, including algebra and science. So this is a little overview of some of the options. So for school counselors, there will be one-day workshop offered on June 17th with an option of the counselors shadowing some of the other professional development strands that are taking place that week. Counselors for Computing is a program out of the National Center for Women in Information Technology, and the ways that counselors can support computer science education and careers with students. The next option we have is Mobile Computer Science Principles, geared towards high school teachers, and it supports the Mobile Computer Science Principles project, which was an NSF-funded effort to bring broad and rigorous computer science based on App Inventor. So it's based on the College Board's AP Computer Science Principles framework. And the students will learn how to build socially useful mobile apps. And as such, the teachers are going to learn to facilitate and support students' communication, collaboration, and creativity. We're also excited to bring Google Computer Science First training to Phoenix, Arizona, as well as Microsoft's Make Code to bring in that physical computing. So geared for teachers who teach upper elementary through middle school, there'll be 4 days of training where there'll be an introduction to Make Code for Microbit, Make Code for the Circuit Playground, and Make Code Arcade, and a day of Google Computer Science First training. So that will cover a whole 5 days of professional development. We're also really excited to bring Bootstrap Algebra to Arizona for middle school through high school teachers. And this is geared towards computer science teachers, but also math teachers. It's aligned to the national and state standards for mathematics, as well as the computer science standards. It can be taught as a standalone, it can be taught as part of a computer science class, or even integrated into a mainstream math class. It requires no previous computer science experience, and there has been research that shows improvement in student performance with regard to algebra tasks. Project GUTS stands for Growing Up Thinking Scientifically, and it would be suitable for teachers who teach grades 6 through 10, and it will be a 5-day workshop, and it's really integrating computer science into science. Scientific concepts will come alive through modeling and simulation, and teachers will engage in computational thinking. So again, no previous computer science experience necessary, but the teachers will get an introduction to computer science pedagogy, a curriculum overview, and use the STAR logo NOVA programming environment to create models and simulation that are aligned to science standards and computer science standards. Code.org is bringing computer science discoveries to Arizona, and this is again geared towards 6th through 10th grade, or even up through senior year high school. It really is integrating a great introductory course to computer science. It covers web design, game design, physical computing, data, and really is meant to inspire students as takes teachers through the process of building website, apps, games, and even engaging in physical computing. There'll also be a two two-day options for early elementary teachers engaging in Scratch. And so there'll be there's no prior coding skills needed. There'll be basics taught, and teachers will get the experience of creating some projects that will, some of them are going to be about creating a digital story about yourself, a video game, and then leave with looking at the computer science standards and how it can be implemented into their instructional day. Oracle Academy will be coming out, and this is a program that's great for high school teachers, CTE or non-CTE, and it's going to be a course on Java fundamentals. So they are going to provide teachers to bring to their students foundational knowledge and skills that are in high demand across jobs, and it again requires little to no program experience. There'll be object-oriented concepts covered and syntax and steps to create basic Java programs through hands-on and engaging activities. So if you're interested, you can follow the links provided in the slideshow for more information. There is additional detailed information on the providers and the professional development topics. There's a registration form. And then really excited to say that Phoenix will be hosting the 20th Computer Science Teachers Association Conference in July of 2019. And again, there's registration information there and scholarships available for teachers to attend. So encourage you to take a look at all of those links.